Hearty welcome to Alan's tutorial, your English literature classes for the students of class 11 and 12 based on ISC pattern for the immediate preparation of your board and other exams. This class is taken by Joseph Little Flower School, Salempur. Short story number 9, The Sound Machine, written by Roald Dahl. His lifespan was from 1916 to 1990. About the author. Born in 1916 in Wales to Norwegian parents. Very popular writer for adults and children. He worked in different fields and became a fighter pilot. In 1942, he was sent to USA to work in British Embassy. He is one of the best-selling authors in the world. He received various prestigious awards like World Fantasy Awards for Lifetime Achievement in 1983. His major works are like Matilda, The Witches, The Tales of the Unexpected. Famous for unexpected ending and twist in the story. He passed away in the year 1990. You can have a view of our great author, Roald Dahl, how handsome and what a personality. All about the story. The Sound Machine is about an amateur scientist, Klusner, who, with the help of his machine, claims to have heard the shrieks of a plant and a tree when they are hurt. His machine adjusts the high pitched sound to the level where human ears can hear such sounds. The story seems to aim at making us aware of the plant life and the need for conserving environment in an interesting manner. The story combines science fiction and environment in a unique mixture. Characters: Klusner and Dr. Scott. Let us have an overview of Klusner. He is the protagonist in the story, an amateur scientist. He is very weak, pale, and eccentric. He is obsessed with sound and he is a very sensitive person. Overview of Dr. Scott. A minor character, a close friend and physician of Klusner, a polite, obliging fellow, suspicious of new and crazy ideas. Summary: the key points. Klusner's unusual experiment with the sound machine. The visit of Dr. Scott. Klusner's theory, which is very important, that there are sounds that are so low pitched or high pitched that human ear can't hear them. Klusner at work. A painful scream when Mrs. Sanders, his neighbor, cut a rose from her garden. Demonstration of the theory in the park. to prove his theory. That is, there are sounds that are so low pitched or high pitched that human ear cannot hear them. Experiment in the garden and the veil of a tree. In the garden, with his axe, he cuts a branch of the tree and he listened the wail, the weeping, the painful cry of that tree. He calls Dr. Scott and wanted to hear this one. As they were about to hear, the branch falls on the machine and it got destroyed. Thus, a strange request to Dr. Scott by Clusiner to bandage the wound of the tree by applying Iodix. Theme and message. The theme: new crazy ideas. Of course, with these new crazy ideas, so many innovations have taken place in the world. We should also have concern for the environment. We need to feel the pain of other species in the world. What the message that the author is trying to communicate? The author wants to stop being deaf to plant life, without which our life is at great peril. Conservation of plants and need to be sensitive to their pains. These are the two messages the author wants to communicate to us. Let us have an analysis of the title and remarks. Title of this particular beautiful story: Quite Appropriate Sound Machine. The whole story is about the idea that we can hear even inaudible sounds with the help of a machine. Believes in the theory that the plant's vibrations can be heard and their pains felt when they are cut or injured. Sound machine remains in focus throughout, thus it is apt and convincing. Critical remarks of this short story. Genre: this story belongs to science fiction, aims at making us conscious of the harm we are doing to plant life. Visualization of the ideas in the story. As the story is narrated, automatically the image of our Clusiner, Dr. Scott and his experiment, all those things comes to our mind. The language used is simple and it is narrative style. The open ending leaves with so many unanswered questions. What happened, whether we could prove this theory, and so on. Dear students, there is a movie given in YouTube. I have given the link here. Please visit. Movie of the story can be watched at the given link in YouTube. Please visit this site and watch it. Dear students, I would like to wind up this class by giving you some possible questions. Short questions as well as long questions. Short question number 1. Describe the sound machine and its functioning. Question number 2. What is Clusiner's theory of sounds? Question number 3. How did the machine made by Clusiner get smashed? There are 2 long questions also for you. Question number 1. Who was Clusiner? What did he experiment with and what for? Question number 2. Describe Clousner's ideas and his device. Are they crazy or scientifically probable? Dear students, hope you have understood this class. Please make your own preparations for your examination and other personal learning. Thank you very much.